Good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss about some passages and matrix matching type. Okay. The first one, let the function f of x into f dash of minus x equal to f of minus x f dash of x for all x. Okay. And f of 0 equal to 3. Then find the minus 1 to 1 f of x into f of minus x dx by 3 plus f of x. Therefore, given that what is given that the f of x is sending to the other side, then it will be the f dash of x by f of x. Is it clear or not? Then this will be sending the other side f dash of minus x by f of minus x. This is the first one. After that, we are applying the integrals with respect to x. Here also applying the integrals with respect to x. We have to know that all of you listen. The f dash x by f of x is the log mod of f of x. Is it clear? When we are taking the minus x is the t. When we are taking the minus x is the t. When we take minus xt, minus of dx equal to dt. Therefore, now we can write this is minus of, all of you listen here. When we are taking the t, f dash of t by f of t minus dt. Therefore, now we can write f dash of x by f of x is the log mod of f of t, where t is the minus of x plus c. Is it clear? So now this minus is sending to the other side. Then it will be the minus is sending to other side plus log a plus log b log ab. This is the log of f of x, f of minus x equal to c. Is it clear? This term is sending other side plus log a plus log b log ab. Log a plus log b log ab. Therefore is there e. Therefore now this is f of x into f of minus x equal to e power c. In the question is given by the f of 0 equal to 3. Therefore now we can write, put x equal to 0. When we are taking x equal to 0, that implies f of 0, this is the f of 0. F of 0 is the 3, this is f of 0 is the 3. 3 into 3 is the 9. This is the value of e power c. Okay. Therefore, this implies this equation we got f of x into f of minus x is the, that implies we can write the f of x into f of minus x is the e power c. E power c is nothing but 9. Is it clear? This is the f of x into f of minus x is the 9. So now we find this value. Okay, what is the question number 1 is? The question number 1 is there. The question number 1 is there, integral minus 1 to 1. The integral minus 1 to 1. We can write minus 1 to 1. Okay, the f of x into f of minus x is the 9 dx. Now the integral we know that 9 into 1 into dx is the x. The limits are minus 1 to 1. Therefore, we can write this is 9 into 1 minus of minus plus 1. Then it will be the 18. Okay. Now the second one, the question number 2. The question number 2 is given by integral. The question number 2 is integral minus 21 to 21 dx by 3 plus f of x. Okay, this is the question number 2. How to complete this one? We have to know that integral of a to b f of x into dx. Everybody know that the integral a to b f of x into dx is the, how to write this one? Integral a to b f of a plus b minus x into dx. Is it clear or not? Integral a to b f of a plus b minus x into dx. Therefore, now we can write this is f of x dx is the f of a plus b minus x into dx. Therefore, we can write this is integral minus 21 to 21. The integral minus first of all we have to take in the I. The I is the question minus 21 to 21 dx by 3 plus f of x. After that this will be take 1. After that a plus b minus x. A plus b minus x. A is the 21, b is the minus 21. A plus b is the 0 minus of x. We got here minus 21 to 21 dx by 3 plus f of minus x. Since a plus b minus x, from this, okay, we can write this one. Okay, now we can apply the formula integral a to b f of x dx is the a plus b minus x. A plus b is the 0, 0 minus x is the minus x. Therefore, replaced by x is the minus x. After that, just now we know that the value of f of x into f of minus x equal to 9. F of x into f of minus x is the 9. Therefore, now this can be written as integral minus 21 to 21 the dx by 3 plus, how to write the f of minus x is 9 by f of x. 9 by f of x. 9 by f of x. Therefore, after that we can write this is integral minus 21 to 21. The LCM is the f of x. We have to take the f of x. F of x, is it clear? Now when we can take here the 3 is the common. 1 by 3. Now this is f of x plus 3. Is it clear? The f of x is the LCM sending to the numerator. 3 is also common. 3 into f of x. 3 f of x. 3 3s are 9. Therefore, here we can observe here the by 3 is sending to the other side, then it will come 3i. 3i is the, all of you listen here, the 3i is the minus 21 to 21 minus 21 to 21 f of x by 3 plus f of x dx. Is it clear or not? 3 plus f of x dx. Therefore, the equation 1, after that the equation 1 is multiple with, this is we are taking some 2. The equation 1 is a multiple with 3, undoubtedly the 1 into 3 that becomes 3i equals to integral minus 21 to 21. Integral minus 21 to 21, this is the 3 into dx is the 3 dx. 3 into dx is the 3 dx plus 3 plus f of x into dx. Is it clear? 3 plus, okay, 3 plus f of x into dx. Therefore, this is the 3 dx by 3 plus f of x into dx. Therefore, this is taken some 3. Taken 3. Therefore, now we can take the 2 plus 3, that implies 2 plus 3. 2 plus 3, that implies 3i plus 3i is the 6i. Integral minus 21 to 21. Yes. Is there f of x? Is there 3 f of x? LCM is the denominators are equal. LCM are say LCM is the 3 plus f of x. Therefore, now adding the numerator, then it will be the f of x plus 3 upon 3 plus f of x into dx. Then it comes 6i. Therefore, this will be cancelled. We got 1. Integral of 1 into dx is the x. That will be the 21 minus 21. This will be the 42. Okay. 21 minus of minus plus 21. Now we can write the I equals to 7. This is the value of I. I equals to 7. Clear? Now the passes to here, if f of x satisfies the relation integral 2 to x f of t dt, that equal to x square by 2 integral x2 to t square f of t dt minus 2. The range of y equal to f of x, and the integral of minus 2 to 2 f of x dx, the value of x for which the f of x is increasing. Increasing function means f dash of x greater than 0. So how to find the function? So here given that, all of you listen first. The integral 2 to x the f of t dt, the integral 2 to x f of t dt is given by the x square by 2 integral x2 to t square f of t dt minus 2. Now the differentiating with respect to x. When we are differentiating with respect to x, undoubtedly this is, when we can differentiating with respect to x, this is the f of x. Is it clear? This is the f of x. The derivative of x is the 1. Okay, we can apply the Leibniz rule on both sides. That is f of x, the derivative of x 1. This is f of 2, derivative of 2 0. Now here the derivative of x square is the 2x by 2, 2 to cancel. Now here the 2 square and the 2 derivative 0. Now we can write minus of, that is x square. This is the f of x. F of x, the derivative of x is the 1. The derivative of 2 is the 0. Okay. Now we are taking the common factor is the f of x. When we are taking the f of x, this is 1 plus x square equal to x. Okay. 1 plus x square equal to x. Therefore, now we can write this is f of x equal to x by 1 plus x square. This is the f of x. Okay. Now the range of y equal to f of x. Everybody know that the range of the f of x is the y equal to x by 1 plus x square. Now we have to find the range of y. When we are taking the f of x is y, now we have to find the range of y. How to find this one? Now this is y into x square. Is it clear? Y into x square is the yx square, plus x is the minus x. This is the y equal to 0. So we have to know that in quadratic expressions, for all x belongs to R, when x is a real, we can take, for x equal to real, then the discriminant b square minus 4ac must be greater than or equal to 0. B square is here, the b square is a is y, b is minus 1, c is y. Therefore, b square is minus 1 whole square. Minus 4ac, y into y is the y square. Now this is greater than or equal to 0. Now this is 4y square minus 1 less than or equal to 0. Okay. Now this can be written as, this is 2y plus 1, 2y minus 1 less than or equals to 0. Therefore here y equal to minus 1 by 2 and y equal to 1 by 2. Therefore we can write y belongs to minus 1 by 2 to 1 by 2. This is the range. Okay. Y means f of x. The range of f of x is the lies between minus 1 by 2 to 1 by 2. This is the first question. Okay. This is the range of y. Now the second question. The integral minus 2 to 2 f of x dx. What is the f of x is? This one. X by 1 plus x square dx. Undoubtedly it will be the 0. Why 0 it is? It is the odd function. Therefore, when we are taking this one f of x, we are taking the minus x. This is minus x by 1 plus x square. F of minus x equal to minus of f of x. F of minus x equal to minus of f of x. Therefore, this is the odd function. When it is odd function, it will be the 0. So, the third one is the values of x. The third one is the values of x for which f of x is increasing. The values of x for which f of x is the increasing. That is the third question. The third question is the f of x is increasing. Find the value of x. F of x is increasing. How to find this one? For increasing or decreasing, we have to know the differentiation method. So when you derivate the derivative of f of x is, this is compared with u by v. We know that the u by v whole dash is the v u dash minus u v dash by v square. Okay, v u dash minus u v dash by v square. This is, we write 1 plus x square. The derivative of 1, the derivative of x is the 1. X into the derivative of 1 0, the derivative of x square is the 2x upon 1 plus x square, 1 plus x square whole square, v square is. Okay, how to write this one? Here the f dash of x is the 1, x square minus 2x square is the minus x square upon the 1 plus x square whole square. The f dash of x is the increasing function, is given that increasing function, given that f of x is, given that the f of x is the increasing function. Increasing means f dash of x is greater than 0. Increasing means f dash of x greater than 0. That means 1 minus x square, 1 plus x square whole square greater than 0. Greater than 0 means this is positive, this is positive, this is always positive. Whole square is there, this is always positive. Undoubtedly, the 1 minus x square must be positive. Now this is a minus multiple with minus, the x square minus 1 less than 0. How to write this one? X plus 1 into x minus 1 less than 0. Therefore, is there less than 0? Therefore, x is belongs to minus 1 to 1. Is it clear? The x is belongs to minus 1 to 1. Okay. Now the another passage. Step denotes the greatest integer function. Mod x less than a, that is x is lies between minus a to a. Therefore, the first question, the minimum of 1 mod of x minus 2. This is the first question. Second question is the minus 1 to 1 maximum of x comma x cube dx. And the third question, integral minus 2 to 2, the minimum of mod x and step x dx. Minimum of mod x comma step x dx. Okay. So here the first one, here all of you listen here. How to solve this one? Please concentration here. We have to take here 0, 1, 2, 3. Therefore, we have to know that the first function y equal to 1, then y equal to mod x, then y equal to mod of x minus 2. Is it clear or not? Yes. First y equal to 1. When we are taking the 1, this is called the y equals to 1, undoubtedly. This is the y equal to 1. Therefore, the next one is y equal to mod x. Suppose we are taking x equal to 0, y is also 0. X equal to 1, y is also 1. Suppose x equal to 2, y is also 2. Okay, x equal to 3, y is also 3. This is the mod x function. Y equal to mod x. Y equal to mod x. After that, y equal to modulus of x minus 2. When we are taking x equal to 0, that is y is the modulus of minus 2 plus 2. When we are taking the x equal to 1, 1 minus 2 minus 1, this is the 1, 1, 1. When we are taking x equal to 2, y value is the 0. when we are taking x equal to 3, 3 minus 2 is the 1. This is the graph. This is the graph of, we know that y equal to mod of x minus 2. This is the graph y equal to mod of x minus 2. Is it clear? Now, in the region 0 to 1, all of you listen here. We have to take the limit here. The required limit, integral 0 to 3, the minimum of, integral 0 to 3, minimum of, first we can take in the region 0 to 1. In the 0 to 1, the minimum region is this one. The minimum region is this one. Is it clear or not? In between the 0 to 1, this is the minimum region. Therefore, this is the y equal to mod x. Therefore, we are taking the y equal to mod x here. After that, we are taking the region 1 to 2. Therefore, when we are taking the 1 to 2, here this is the minimum. This is the graph is, what is the graph? This line. This line be the y equals to mod of x minus 2 dx. After that, we are taking the 2 to 3. In the 2 to 3, the minimum is this one. We are taking the 1, 2, 3. The minimum is only this one. We are taking the above, this one is there, this one is there, this one is there. The minimum is this one. Therefore, the 2 to 3, the minimum is, what is the graph is again? This is the graph of modulus of x minus 2 dx. We have to know that, all of you listen here, the integral 0 to 1, if you are taking the 0.5 is a positive, that is x dx. The mod is a positive in between 0 to 1. After that, we can take here, when we are taking the 1.5, all of you listen here, in between 1 to 1.5, this is minus. The minus of 1 to 2, x minus 2 dx. Is it clear? How to write this one? X minus 2 is a negative. Therefore, then you can write minus of x minus 2. When we are taking the 2 to 3, 2.5. If you take any value between 2 to 3, 2.5. 2.5 minus 2 is positive. Therefore, 2 to 3, we can write x minus 2 dx. Is it clear? Now we can write integral of x dx is the x square by 2. Those are the limits 0, 1. After that, this is minus of, the integral of x is the x square. The integral of x is the x square by 2. This is the minus of 2x. The limits are 1 to 2. And here the x square by 2 minus 2x. The limits are 2 to 3. The limits are 2 to 3. Therefore, here now we can apply the upper limit 1 by 2 only. This is the 1 by 2. Therefore, here first you can apply the upper limit. In this case 2 square. 2 square is the 4. 4 by 2 is the 2. 2 2 jar is the 4. Minus of, we can write 1 by 2 minus 2. After that, we can write here, when we are taking the upper limit, that is 3 square by 2 is the 9 by 2. 3 square by 2 is the 9 by 2. Minus of 3 2 jar is the 6. The minus of 2 square is the 4 by 2, 2. This is the minus 4. Is it clear? Now we can write 1 by 2. After that, this is, what is the value of here? This is the minus 2. This is the clear. 2 2 jar is the minus 4, minus of minus, plus 3 by 2. Okay. 2 2 jar is the minus 4. 1 minus 4 is the minus, minus of minus plus. After that, you can write, this is, what is this one? 2 3 jar, 2 6 jar is the minus 12. This is minus of 3 by 2. Now this is the minus of minus plus 2. Therefore, we can write, this is 1 by 2. This is the minus, all of you listen here. This will be right. This is the minus 2. Therefore, you can write, this is minus of minus plus 2. Plus 2 plus 2 is the plus 4. Okay, minus of minus plus 2. 2 plus 2 is the 4. Now we can write, this is minus 3 by 2 minus 3 by 2. minus 6 by 2, this is the minus 3. We can write 1 by 2 plus 1, this is the 3 by 2 is the answer. Okay, what is the answer is there? 3 by 2. Right. Second one in this passage, the maximum of x comma x cube. Okay, the maximum of x comma x cube in the intervals minus 1 to 1. In the interval minus 1 to 1. How to calculate this one? All of you listen here. This is the x-axis. Okay. We have to take the minus 1, 0, 1. First we take y equals to, is there x. Y equal to x is there. And another one is y equal to x cube is there. Okay. First y equal to x is a straight line. When you are taking x equal to 0, 0. Therefore here, all of you listen, when we are taking x is 1, y is 1. When we are taking x is minus 1, this is also minus 1. This is the straight line, y equals to x. This is the y equal to x. Okay, this is the straight line. So here, all of you listen here, the y equal to x cube. When we are taking x is 0, 0. And x equal to 1, this is 1. X equal to minus 1, this is minus 1. Suppose we are taking x equal to 1 by 2, suppose. Therefore, for this 1 by 2 is the 1 by 2 here. But when we are taking this one, y equal to x cube, undoubtedly 1 by 2 whole cube is the 1 by 8. 1 by 8 means when we are taking 1 by 8, that is the 1 by 8 means undoubtedly 1 by 8 is the 0.1. But for this 0.5, 1 by 2 is the 0.5. 0.1 means this one, the graph of this one. Okay, like this. Suppose minus 1 by, when we are taking the minus 1 by 2, we got this one. Is it clear or not? This is the graph of y equal to x cube. This is the graph of y equal to x cube. Therefore, now we have to take in this region maximum. Therefore, we have to find, all of you listen here, the minus 1 to 1. Minus 1 to 1 is there. Now we are taking the region first, minus 1 to 0. The minus 1 to 0, the reason is maximum here. In the negative numbers, the less than value is the maximum. This is the maximum. Is it clear or not? In the negative number, suppose is there minus 1. Suppose we are taking, this is the, all of you listen here. When we are taking the minus 1 by 2, this is the minus 1 by 2. This is the minus 1 by 8. When we are compared with minus 1 by 8 and minus 2, this is the minus of 0.1. This is the minus of 0.5. Which is bigger? Minus 0.1. We have to know that in the negative numbers, the minus 2 is there, minus 4 is there. Which is the big one? Minus 2 is the big one. Therefore, generally here the maximum of means this is the maximum. Therefore, this is the maximum. That means the graph is the x cube dx. Now we can write the maximum of the 0 to 1. The maximum of 0 to 1. The maximum of 0 to 1 is, in the region we have to take the 0 to 1. This is above. This is below. The maximum part is this one. Is it clear or not? When we are taking the interval 0 to 1, the maximum graph is this one. Therefore, you can write this is x dx. X dx. Therefore, now this is x dx. Is it clear or not? Now, therefore, we can write the integral of x cube. We have to know that x power 4 by 4. Those limits are 0 to, what is the, minus 1 to, yes, minus 1 to 0. After that, we can write plus 1 is the x square by 2. 0 to 1. Now this is 0 minus 1 by 4. Now this is 1 by 2 minus 0. Then we are taking the LCM is the 4. Undoubtedly when we are taking the LCM is 4 minus 1 plus 2. This is the 1 by 4. Is it clear? What is the answer? 1 by 4. Now the minimum of, all of you listen here, the minimum of the integral minus 2 to 2. The minimum of integral minus 2 to 2 mod x must fx. Therefore, how to write this one? The minimum of minus 2 to 2 mod x and stuff x. How to complete this one? So, here first we take y equal to mod x is the graph. And another one is y equal to stuff x. Therefore, all of you listen here. Therefore, first y equal to mod x. When we are taking x equal to 0, y is 0. After that, all of you listen here. All of you listen here. When we are taking x equal to 0, y is 0. When we are taking x equal to 1 and y is 1. This one. When we are taking x equal to 2, y is 2. 2. When we are taking x is minus 1, mod of minus 1 is the plus 1. This one. When we are taking x is minus 2, mod of minus 2 is the plus 2. Minus 2 plus 2. This is the point. Therefore, this is the graph of y equals to mod x. Okay. This is the graph of y equals to mod x. Yes. This is the y equals to mod x. Now, all of you listen here. The step of minus 2 is the minus 2. Yes, we know that. The step of minus 2 is the minus 2. The step of minus 1.9. Everything is minus 2. Is it clear or not? This region, every part, this region, all of you listen here. This complete. Suppose if you are taking minus 1.1. That is minus 2. Minus 1.5, minus 2. Okay. Then you can write the step of exactly minus 1 is the minus 1. Therefore, minus 0.1 is the minus 1. Minus 0.5 is also minus 1. Is it clear or not? Therefore, after that, exactly 0 is the 0. Minus 0.9 is also 0. Is it clear? Therefore, when we are taking exactly 1 is 1. Exactly 1 is 1. But 1.9 is also 1. 1.9 is also 1. Is it clear or not? Therefore, we can think here when we are taking the between the values 1 to 2, each one equal to 1. 1.5 is also 1. Therefore, this is the graph of the step. Okay. Now we are writing here, all of you listen. The integral first we are taking the value of minus 2 to 2. Is there minimum? Is there minimum? So we have to know that what is the minimum here. This is above. This is completely positive. Undoubtedly this is the minimum. That means we got step x. This is the minimum. This graph and this graph. After that we are taking minus 1, this is the minus 2 to minus 1. The minus 2 to minus 1, when we are compared with the two graphs, this is minimum. Now we are taking the minus 1 to 0. Minus 1 to 0, when we are compared with this one, this is completely positive, this is completely negative. This is minimum. Therefore, this is also step x. After that, we can write the in between 0 to 1. Suppose here they are taking, this is maximum, this is minimum. This part is the minimum. Therefore, integral 0 to 1 also, step x is the minimum. Finally, we can take 1 to 2. 1 to 2 is also 1. Suppose 2.5. This is above. This is here. This is minimum. Therefore, this is step x dx. Is it clear or not? The minimum is given that. So we have to take the minimum is that one. All of you listen here. Now we can write this is the integral of minus -2 to -1 step is the, suppose if you are taking minus 1.5, this is -2. Therefore, -2 integral of, all of you listen here, -2 to 1 dx. After that, integral -1 to 0. If you are taking the -0.5, this is -1. Therefore, -1 dx. This is the -1 to 0. -1 to 0. Suppose 0 to 1, we are taking 0.5, it is 0. Therefore, integral 0 to dx, 0 to 1. Finally, 1 to 2. 1 to 2, when we are taking 1.5 is the 1 dx. Therefore, now this is, we can write -2 outside, integral of 1 dx. Integral of 1 dx. 1 dx is the x. 1 dx is the x. Therefore, x is the -1, minus of minus plus 2 is the 1. Therefore, when you can write -1, this is the 0 minus of minus plus 1. Therefore, this is completely 0. After that, integral of 1 dx is the x. Therefore, x means 2 minus 1 is the 1. Therefore, here we got only the -2. -1 plus 1 cancel. What is the answer is -2. Okay. Now the matrix matching type. Here A, B, C, D are 4 given. So here the difference of these two are x and the difference of these two are x. So first I find, how to find the first one? A. A is the integral 0 to pi. Integral 0 to pi. Integral 0 to pi 1 by 4 minus of sine square dx. Okay. Therefore, here all of you listen. We can write integral pi minus x. We have to know that the first rule, integral 0 to a. We can take the 2a also. Therefore, this is pi minus of x. Sin pi minus of x, sin x. Therefore, now we can write into 2. And this one we have directly write, this is, we have to compare with 2a. 2a is the pi. Sin of pi minus x is the sin x. Therefore, that can be written as 2 into integral 0 to a pi by 2 1 by 4 minus sin square x, and a numerator and a denominator, when it is 1 by a plus b sin square x, we have to know that in the indefinite integrals, the numerator and denominator both are multiple with secant square x. Secant square x dx, 4 secant square x. This is the minus of tan square x dx. Is it clear or not? Therefore, the secant 4 into secant square is the 1 by cos square. After that, we can write this is twice into 0 to pi by 2. The secant square x dx. Secant square x is the 1 plus tan square x. Secant square x is the 1 plus tan square. When we are taking the 1 plus tan square, this is the 4. 4 tan square x minus tan square x is the 3 tan square x dx. After that, we can write this is integral 0 to pi by 2 secant square x dx. This can be written as the 2 square. This is the root to 3 tan x whole square. Is it clear or not? Therefore, we have to know that the derivative of tan x is the secant square x dx. Therefore, this is dt by t square dt by a square plus root 3t whole square. How to write this one? 2 into 1 by a. 1 by a is the 1 by 2. But the coefficient is there 1 by root 3. Tan inverse of x by a. X is the root 3 tan x by a is the by 2. The limits are 0 to pi by 2. Okay, is it clear? How to write this is? Therefore, we can write when we can put when put 90, tan 90 infinity root 3 by 2 into infinity is the infinity. Infinity is the value of tan 90. Now this is 1 by root 3. Okay, is it clear? How to get this one? Only pi by 2. Therefore, minus of 0. After that, this is the value of pi into 2 root 3. Is it clear? This is the pi into 2 root 3. Okay, this is the value of pi by 2 root 3. This is the pi by 2 root 3. Now we have to find the b. How to find the b? When it is the value of this one we got pi by 2 root 3. Therefore, now the b we can got easily. The b will be taken some I, that is 0 to pi x by 4 minus of sine square x dx. This is the form of integral 0 to a. F of x is the integral 0 to a f of a minus x. That is I equals to integral 0 to pi a minus x. That is the pi minus x. 4 minus sine square pi minus x is the sine x. We can replace it by x is the pi minus x. X is the pi minus x. Sine square pi minus x is the sine square x. After that, split into the two integrals. How to write this one? I equals to, we can write pi into integral 0 to pi 1 upon, first this one by this one, this one by this one, 4 minus sine square of x into dx. This is the minus of I. Minus of x by 4 minus sine square x is the I. Minus of minus is the 2i. The minus I is sending other side plus I. I plus I is the 2i. This is the value. Just now we find that integral 0 to pi 1 upon 4 minus sine square dx is the answer. Pi by, what is the answer? Pi by 2 into root 3. After it is we got here I equals to pi into pi is the pi square. 2 into 2 is the 4 root 3. This is the value of I. Okay, is it clear? Pi square by 4 root 3 is the R. Now the C. C is the integral 0 to pi sine of x by 4 minus sine square x dx. Is it clear? So now we can write here, all of you listen. We can write here sine pi minus x sine x, sine square pi minus x sine square x. Therefore this can be written as into 2 by 2. Therefore in the next step we can write 0 to pi by 2. This is compared with 2a, integral 0 to 2a. Integral 0 to 2a, when f of 2a minus x equal to f of x, that is 2 into 0 to a sin x. After that we can write sin x 4 minus of sin square x is the 1 minus of cos square x into dx. Now this is the 2 into integral 0 to pi by 2. The sin x by 4 minus 1 is the 3. We can write this is root 3 whole square. Now we can write minus of minus plus cos square of x dx. We have to know that the derivative of cos x is the minus sin x. Is it clear or not? The derivative of the cos x is the minus sin x. Now we can write minus 2 minus of. Is it clear? The derivative of cos x is the minus sin x dx. Therefore now we can write here the cos x will be the t. The derivative of cos x is the minus sin x dx is the dt. Therefore this is minus 2 into, this is how to, this is dt by, this is minus sin x dx is the dt by root 3 whole square plus t square. Root 3 whole square plus t square. The integral 1 by a square plus x square is the 1 by a tan inverse of x by a. Therefore 1 by a 1 by a is the 1 by root 3. Tan inverse of x by a, x is the cos x, a is the root 3. Therefore the limits are 0 to pi by 2. 0 to pi by 2. Therefore now we can write this is, all of you listen, minus of 2 by root 3. The tan inverse of cos 90 0. Yes. Yes. Cos 90 value 0. Yes. The cos 90 is the 0. 0 by root 3 0. 0 is the value of, we have to know that the 0 is the value of, what is the 0 is the value of tan 0 0. Tan inverse tan cancel. Now we can write this is, when we will come to the lower limit, when we will come the lower limit, cos 0 1. Cos 0 1. Therefore this is 1 by root 3. 1 by root 3. 1 by root 3 is the value of, in the tan 30 degrees. Tan 30 degrees is the 1 by root 3. Tan cos 0 is the 1. 1 by root 3 is the tan 30. Tan inverse tan cancel. 30 is the pi by 6. Therefore now this is, we can write minus into minus plus. Minus into minus is the plus. Therefore pi by 3 root 3. Okay, pi by 3 root 3. Yes, this is the pi by 3 root 3. Okay, right? This is the value, integral 0 to pi sin x by 4 minus cos square x. We got pi by 3 root 3. Yes, this is, we got pi by 3 root 3. Now we have to find this one. The difference of here same like this, x sin x. How to find this one? Undoubtedly into 2 is standing other side by 6. That means the d, simple question this is. D is given by I equal to 0 to pi the x sin x by 4 minus of sin square x dx. After then we can apply the first form. Integral 0 to a is f of a minus x. That is I equals to, we can write integral 0 to pi, x is the pi minus of x, sin pi minus x is the sin x, 4 minus sin square pi minus x is the sin square of x. Is it clear? The replaced by x is, all of you listen, replaced by x is pi minus of x, pi minus x, sin pi minus x, sin x, sin square pi minus x, sin x. After then I equals to pi into integral 0 to pi, this is multiple with here, this is the sin x upon 4 minus of sin square of x, this is x sin x by, that is I into I is the 2i. Is it clear? The minus I is the 2i. Therefore pi into, just now we find that integral 0 to pi sin x by 4 minus sin square x dx is the, what is the value? Pi by 3 root 3. Pi by 3 root 3. Therefore I equals to, that is pi into pi, pi square, 2 3 jar is the 6 root 3. This is the answer. Okay, pi square by 6 root 3. This is today's students. Okay, only few more models are there in matrix matching and integer models. Okay, please watch the videos sincerely and prepare the notes. Okay, thank you all.